Imagine merging the thrill of a supercar, the indulgence of a private jet, and the comfort of a 7-star hotel and putting it all on wheels. Today, we're diving into the top 7 most insane luxury motorhomes of 2026. These aren't just vehicles, they're mobile palaces, redefining freedom, exclusivity, and the art of travel. Welcome back to Future Brain, where horsepower meets high-end living, and where we don't just review rides, we live the experience. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome. If you thought Aston Martin was all about sleek sports cars, think again. The exterior is unmistakable sleek chrome accents, signature grille, and long flowing lines that scream understated power. The two-tone paint and polished aluminum wheels make this beast stand out on any highway. Step inside, and it's pure 5-star indulgence. Plush hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood finishes, and brushed metal detailing throughout the cabin. There's a spacious lounge with reclining chairs, a dining nook fit for a private chef, a full gourmet kitchen, and a master suite with a king-size bed and spa-inspired bathroom. Every inch is precision engineered to turn road trips into unforgettable experiences. Under the hood, Aston Martin pairs a twin-turbo V12 engine with advanced electric motors, producing over 700 horsepower. Despite its sheer size, it glides like a sedan thanks to adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering. Tech is off-the-charts digital cockpit, voice-controlled smart home systems, satellite internet, and immersive OLED entertainment for every passenger. Safety isn't forgotten either. 360-degree cameras, AI-driven monitoring, adaptive cruise, and collision avoidance keep you cruising worry-free. Price tag? Around $2.7 million, but with bespoke options, it can easily surpass $3.2 million. This isn't a purchase, it's a statement. Next up, 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. From the outside, it's an unmistakable display of Rolls-Royce elegance, long, flowing body lines, the iconic Pantheon grille, and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament leading the way. Step inside, and the experience is next-level luxury. Plush leather seating, handcrafted wood trims, and polished metal accents fill every corner. There's a lounge area, private dining section, fully equipped kitchen, and master suite, complete with king-size bed and marble bathroom. Under the hood, a hybrid V12 engine with electric motors produces over 700 horsepower. Adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering ensure a buttery smooth ride. Tech is cutting edge. Smart home integration, immersive OLED displays, satellite internet, and AI-driven concierge services. Safety is top-notch with adaptive cruise, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and reinforced structure. Price starts around $2.5 million, easily surpassing $3 million with customization. Rolls-Royce delivers unrivaled refinement and prestige. Next, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. If Ferrari and Lamborghini are known for speed, Bugatti is all about extreme engineering and pure performance. The exterior is aerodynamic and aggressive, finished with carbon fiber accents and bold lines. Inside, expect minimalist luxury, blended with cutting-edge tech, premium leather, Alcantara, fold-out kitchen, spa-style bathroom, and a convertible sleeping area. Power comes from a hybrid W16 engine paired with electric motors, producing over 1,200 horsepower. Adaptive suspension, torque vectoring, and active aerodynamics make it feel like a hypercar on wheels. Tech features include gesture and voice controls, OLED displays, AI cabin management, and satellite connectivity. Safety is backed by advanced driver assists and structural reinforcement. Starting at an astronomical $4 million, this is a motorhome for those who demand ultimate speed, luxury, and exclusivity. Swinging over to the USA, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator Motorhome embodies classic American boldness. Its imposing grille, chrome detailing, and aerodynamic body make it unmistakable. Inside, you're met with spacious leather seating, wood-trimmed luxury, panoramic glass roof, private lounge, full kitchen, and a master bedroom that rivals boutique hotels. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V6 hybrid generates over 600 horsepower. Adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, and advanced handling make long road trips effortless. Tech-wise, you get augmented reality navigation, OLED displays, immersive audio, and full smart home control. Safety includes adaptive cruise, lane centering, AI monitoring, and reinforced structural integrity. Starting price, $1.45 million, easily climbing to $1.9 million. With bespoke features, Lincoln delivers American freedom, power, and uncompromising comfort. Now let's jet set into Italian performance, the 2026 McLaren Motorhome. Outside, it's a rolling supercar with sleek curves, carbon fiber accents, and a low, aggressive stance. Inside, Italian leather, Alcantara, ambient lighting, and a cockpit that feels ripped straight from a Gran Turismo. Lounge, fold-out kitchen, spa-inspired bathroom, and convertible sleeping area. Every corner screams performance and luxury. Power is insane. Hybrid V10 with electric boost producing over 950 horsepower. Adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, and dynamic drive modes make it handle like a sports car on wheels. Tech includes gesture and voice controls, holographic HUD, and AI-driven cabin management. Starting at $3.5 million, this motorhome is pure adrenaline wrapped in comfort. Heading back to Germany, the 2026 Porsche Motorhome combines performance and minimalistic luxury. Exterior lines echo the 911 GT's. Curves, LED signature lighting, and aerodynamic body panels. Inside, driver-focused elegance with leather seating, modular kitchen, and convertible sleeping areas. Power comes from a hybrid V8 system producing 700-plus horsepower. Porsche-level handling, adaptive suspension, and electric assistance make it agile despite its size. Tech includes full smart home integration, OLED displays, and AI-driven monitoring. Price starts around $2.2 million, with bespoke options scaling higher. Porsche delivers that rare combination of speed, luxury, and precision. Finally, the 2026 GMC Denali Motorhome. It's rugged yet refined, paying homage to GMC's heritage while adding modern luxury. The exterior boasts bold LED bars, chrome grille, and two-tone finishes. Step inside, and it's a mobile loft. Premium materials, smart ambient lighting, convertible lounge, kitchen, workspace, and serene bedroom. Under the hood, a hybrid electric system delivers over 500 horsepower with smooth torque and all-wheel drive stability. Air suspension and adaptive dampers guarantee a calm ride. Tech is everywhere. Voice control, OTA updates, solar support, and Pro Safety Plus suite. Starting at $250,000, it's the ultimate blend of premium mobile living, practicality, and heritage. These 7 motorhomes redefine luxury, performance, and innovation on wheels. From European elegance to American boldness, Italian flair to German precision, 2026 proves that the future of ultra-luxury travel is limitless.